Hello, good morning students. In the last lecture, we have learned the real numbers and their decimal expansions. Okay, so there are two cases. The first one, the remainder becomes 0. Okay, we found that the remainder becomes 0 after some steps or after a finite steps. The decimal expansion terminates or ends after a finite number of steps. Then we call the decimal expansion of such a numbers terminating. Okay, and the second case, the remainder never becomes 0. The decimal expansion does not terminates or does not ends after a finite number of steps. Then we call the decimal expansion of such a numbers is non-terminating, recurring or repeating. Okay, then we solve some examples. We show that the rational numbers in the form of p by q. Okay, then we finally know that the decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating, recurring. Okay, and moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating, recurring, is a rational number. And also the decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. And moreover, a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring is a irrational number. Okay, so today we are going to start exercise number 1.3. So before we start the today's lecture, first we discuss last lecture's homework. Okay, so question is, express the following in the form of p by q. The first one is 0.6 bar, means 0.6666 up to so on. Okay, first one, let x is equal to 0.6 bar, which is equal to 0.6666. Okay, so here only one number is repeating, therefore we multiplying both the sides by 10. We know that if one number is repeating, then multiply both the sides by 10. If two numbers are repeating, multiply both the sides by 100. If three numbers are repeating, multiply both the sides by 1000. Okay, so here we multiply both the sides by 10, so we get 10x, which is equal to 10 into 0.666. Therefore 10x, which is equal to 6.6666. Okay, so we write this number 6.6666 in the form of a plus x. Okay, because we find the value of x, we solve the equation for x, so we write this number 6.666 in the form of a plus x, that is 6 plus 0.6666. so we know that the value of x is 0.666. so here we put 6 plus x because x is equal to 0.6666. okay, so we subtract x from both the sides, then we get 9x, which is equal to 6. Then dividing both the sides by 9, we get x is equal to 6 upon 9. Therefore we get x is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, next question. The next one, x is 0.47 bar. Here the bar is on only 7, not on the 4. ओके, म्हणजे जो बार आहे तो फक्त 7 वरती आहे, म्हणजे 7 काय तो रिपीटिंग नंबर आहे, 4 वरती बार नाही आहे. ओके, सो हियर only 7 is repeating number. ओके, 4 is not repeated, म्हणजे 4 काय रिपीटेड झाला नाही, फक्त 7 रिपीटेड झाला आहे. सो हियर only one number is repeating, therefore we multiplying both the sides by 10. So we get 10x, which is equal to 10 into 0.4777. so therefore 10x, which is equal to 4.7777. okay, so we write this number in the form of a plus x, that is 4.3 plus 0.4777. okay, if you subtract this number from this you will get 4.3. okay, so 10x which is equal to 4.3 plus 0.4777 because we want the value of x and we solving this equation for x. okay, so we put the value of x, that is 10x which is equal to 4.3 plus x. Therefore we subtract x from both the sides, then we get 9x which is equal to 4.3. okay, then dividing both the first we cancel this decimal point. okay, so there is only one term after a decimal point, so we multiply numerator and denominator by 10, so we get 43 upon 10. Now we dividing both the sides by 9, so we get x which is equal to 43 upon 19. okay, next one 0.001 bar. So first we consider this number as x, so let x is equal to 0.001 bar. okay, which is also equal to 0.001 001 001 up to so on. Now here I solve this example by another method. okay, there is another method. okay, so here three numbers are repeated, so we multiplying both the sides by 1000, so we get 1000x which is equal to 1000 into 0.001 001. okay, therefore 1000x which is equal to 1.001 001. okay, we consider as equation number 2 and x is number 1. okay, so we subtract 1 from equation number 2, so we get 1000x minus x. okay, left hand side ची subtraction left hand side ला and right hand side ची subtraction right hand side ला, so we get 1000x minus x which is equal to 1.001 001 minus 0.001 001, so we get 999x which is equal to 1. so if we divide, then we get x which is equal to 1 upon 999. okay, this is the another method. Let first consider this number x, okay, and consider this equation as number 1, multiplying both the sides, then consider this equation as number 2 and subtract 1 from equation number 2, you will get value of x. okay, these are the two methods. So today we are going to start practice set 1.3. exercise 1.3. okay, question 1, write the following in the decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. okay, हा तुम्हाला मी होमवर्क पण दिला होता, होमवर्कला आपण यातले पहिले 3 सम्स सॉल्व केले होते. ठीक आहे. द फोर्थ वन 3 upon 13. okay, if we divide 3 upon 13 we get the quotient 0.230769 230769. okay, here we get this block 230769 repeated, means this block is repeated. okay, so here we observe that 3 upon 13 which is equal to 0.230769 up to so on, okay, which is equal to 0.230769 bar, means this block is repeated. okay, this block 230769, this block is repeated, so which is a non-terminating recurring decimal. okay, which is a non-terminating recurring decimal. okay, next one 2 upon 11. so if we divide 2 by 11 we get the quotient 0.1818 up to so on. so here we get the block of 1 and 8 repeated, block of 1 and 8 is repeated. okay, so we conclude that 2 upon 11 which is equal to 0.1818, that is up to so on, which is equal to 0.18 bar. Okay, so we get this 18 block repeated. Okay, this block is repeated, so which is a non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimal. Okay, next one, 329 upon 400. If we divide 329 upon 400, the quotient is 0.8225. okay, so here the decimal expansion terminates or ends. Okay, so which is a terminating decimal. Okay, 329 upon 400, which is equal to 0.8225, therefore which is a terminating decimal. Okay, question number 2. You know that 1 upon 7, which is equal to 0.142857 bar. Can you find the decimal expansion of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Okay, if we divide 1 upon 7, then we get 0.142857 bar. Okay, so we have to find the values of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7 without doing long division. Okay, so given 1 upon 7, which is equal to 0.142857 bar, or we can write 0.142857 dot dot dot. Okay, because this block is repeated. So we know that 2 upon 7 can be written as 2 into 1 upon 7. Okay, 2 upon 7 can be written in the form of 2 into 1 upon 7. Similarly, 3 upon 7 can be written in the form of 3 into 1 by 7. Similarly, 4 by 7 which is equal to 4 into 1 upon 7. Okay, so here we substituting the values of 1 upon 7 as 0.142857. Therefore we get 2 by 7, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 7, which is equal to 2 into 0.142857, which is equal to 0.285714 dot dot dot. Okay, next 3 into 1 by 7. If we multiply by 3, okay, 1 by 7 ला 3 ने multiply करायचं, 3 into 0.142857, which is equal to 0.428571. okay, up to so on. Next 4 by 7, which is equal to 4 into 1 by 7. okay, 1 by 7 ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करा इथं, 4 into 0.142857 up to so on, which is equal to 0.571428 up to so on. Similarly, we find 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. So 5 by 7, which is equal to 0.714285, and 6 by 7, which is equal to 0.857142. okay, so we conclude that we can predict the values of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without performing long division. okay, we can find the values of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 without doing a long division. okay, next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पण आपण होमवर्कमध्ये घेतला होता. ठीक आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, एक्सप्रेस 0.9999 up to so on in the form of P by Q. okay, we know how to convert this number in the form of P by Q. okay, so let x is equal to 0.9999 up to so on. We consider this equation as number 1. Since here one digit is repeating, okay, only 9 is repeating, therefore we multiplying both the sides by 10. So we get 10x, which is equal to 9.9999. okay, we consider this as equation number 2. Now we subtract equation number 1 from 2, we get 10x minus x, which is equal to 9.9999 minus 0.9999. Okay, therefore 10x minus x, which is equal to 9x. Okay, therefore we get 9x, which is equal to 9.0000. Therefore we can write 9x, which is equal to 9. Okay, if we divide both the sides by 9, therefore we get x, which is equal to 1. If we observe here, we consider the value of x, which is equal to 0.999. okay, and here we get the value of x, which is equal to 1. means आपल्याला इथं एक्सच्या 2 व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्या. आपण एक्सची व्हॅल्यू कन्सिडर केली होती 0.9999. ओके, आणि एक्सची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळाली इथं किती 1. सो हाऊ इट इज पॉसिबल? आर यू सरप्राइज बाय युअर आन्सर? ओके, सो डिस्कस विथ युअर क्लासमेट्स अँड राईट दी आन्सर इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, तुम्ही ते सगळं तुमच्या मित्रांशी डिस्कस करा आणि व्हिडिओ पाहून झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही खाली आपल्या कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये ते मला आन्सर शेअर करा. ठीक आहे. सो इन दी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 1.3. ओके, गुड बाय.